How to add screen time widget on your iPhone on iOS 26. To add the screen time widget on your iPhone is very simple. Just locate any part of the iPhone and tap on it like this until it begins to move like this or shake like this. Go ahead and tap on edit button. Now tap on add widgets. It comes out like this, then scroll up here until you see screen time. Keep scrolling until you get to screen time. So here is screen time. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you have different widgets here. You have daily activities, you have the small one, the medium, then you have the larger one. So this has to do with you just let anyone that you want. Let's tap on this one. Now that I've tapped on it, then you can take your hand and drag it anywhere that suits you, then tap on done. That's it, guys. You've been able to add screen time widget on your iPhone on iOS 26. If you get this tip of not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.